quiz about symbols of Pakistan. Please subscribe for more videos. Click on the bell icon for update. Let's start with easy questions. Guess the national language: Urdu or Punjabi? Just think for 5 seconds. National language is Urdu. So my question number 2 is, guess the national tree: Deodar, cedar, or ash. Your think time start. Yay, good job. Answer is Deodar, I mean cedar. Next question is, guess the national poet. Think and think. I hope you guessed the answer. The answer is Allama Iqbal. My question number 4 is, guess the national fruit: it's apple or mango. Your time starts now. Yeah, what do you think? The answer is mango. My question number 5 is less funny. Guess the national dance: Bhangra or Ludi. You don't think I'll tell you the answer? The answer is Bhangra from the Punjab region. My question number 6 is, guess the national sport: hockey or tennis. Your think time starts now. This is the correct option, hockey. So my next question is, let's get the national stadium. Just thanks for 5 seconds. Think. You get the answer. The answer is Gaddafi. Do you know who is our national hero: Allama Iqbal or Quaid-e-Azam? The answer is very easy. Think and think. Yes, the answer is Quaid-e-Azam. He is our national hero. So my question number 9 is, guess the national bird: chakar or crow. Your think time starts now. I hope you guessed the answer. So the national bird is choker. My next question, guess the national dish. Any guesses? Yum, the answer is biryani. My question number 11 is, guess the national festival. Countdown start. Think. Answer this: Independence Day. Which is the national desert: Thai or Thar? Guess what? Think. Thar is the answer. Guess the national park: Mahara Hills or Jasmine Garden. Don't worry. I will tell you. The answer is Margala Hills. It's located in Islamabad. Guess the national lake: Saiful Muluk or Kinjar Lake. Bravo, your answer is right. It's Kinjar Lake. Guess the national archaeological site. Guess. Guess. Good, the answer is Mohenjo-Daro. Guess the national river: it's Indus or Ravi. Thanks for a second. Right, the answer is Indus. My question number 17 is, guess the national historical figure. This question is might difficult. But you think. Yay, it's Liaquat Ali Khan. Guess the national economic symbol. Just think. You can do it. Let's go. The answer is cotton. Guess the national color: pink or green. Your time starts now. Your answer is right, it's green. So my next question is, guess the national art. Thanks for 5 seconds. Think. You are amazing. Your answer is right, it's truck art. Guess the national export: textiles or sugar. Think for a few seconds. The correct answer is textiles. Next question, guess the national tourism spot, Hunza or Murray? Countdown starts. Think and th. Hunza is the correct answer. Question number 23 is guess the national youth icon. This question is very difficult. Think. Incredible answer is Abdul Sattar Eddy. Guess the national festival of music, Coke Studio or folk? Clapping, your answer is right, it's Coke Studio. Do you know guess the national honor Nishan Haider or Tunga Imtiaz? You're going so well. You are my genius, the answer is Nishan Haider. The last 5 questions are left now, it's my turn to give answers. The question is guess the national historical lecture, the answer is Allama Iqbal. Guess the national inventor, the answer is Abdul Qadir Khan. Guess the national religious site, the answer is Data Darbar, was located in Lahore. Guess the national soil, the answer is Lush soil. My last question, but not the guess the national traditional game, the answer is Kabaddi. So these all the questions are related to the symbols of Pakistan. I hope you're playing very well. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you next time.